Hey there, this is Dimple here from Prāna, and we're back with some immunity booster tips to boost your immunity while you're at home against COVID-19 and all kinds of bacteria and virus that is there in the air. This is my favorite herb. It's called neem. It's widely available around the country. Just take a few grams of neem leaves, maybe 5 to 10 grams, wash it nicely, put it in a mortar and pestle, grind it and make a paste. Place it at the back of your throat and just quickly swallow it. You can also follow it with some sugar or some jaggery or even some honey, but don't drink water because it might just increase the bitterness in your mouth. Don't eat or drink anything for 1 hour. Let the neem do its job. Neem kills all kinds of bacteria and virus. It's excellent for bronchial health, asthma, cough, constipation. It's excellent for diabetic patients. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It improves your liver health functions. It detoxifies your body. It also strengthens and boosts your immune system. Do not have neem if you're pregnant, and do not give it to children below the age of 6. Do not also give it to senior citizens. It might cause nausea for them. So boost your immunity at home. Another great tip to boost your immunity at home against COVID-19 and all kinds of bacteria and virus in the air is Philanthus neruri. It's also called bhui amla in Hindi. It's widely available around the country. Just take a few leaves again, wash it nicely, put it in a mortar and pestle, make a paste, and have it along with neem, empty stomach, early morning. Place it at the back of the throat and just swallow it. It has a bitter taste. It has multiple health benefits. It's called the stone breaker. It's excellent for the liver. It's excellent for hepatitis B. It also helps in dissolving gallbladder stones and kidney stones. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-carcinogenic properties. This is literally a boon from Mother Nature. So please do have Philanthus neruri every single morning, at least for 15 days to boost your immunity against this virus. My third tip to boost your immunity at home is an age-old tradition, time and tested, Chyawanprash. It's made of the Indian gooseberry, Amla, which is equal to 1,000 lemons. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-carcinogenic properties as well. It is excellent for preventing cancer. It is also cooked with a whole series of herbs. Now look at the number of herbs that they've cooked Chyawanprash with. Now, Chyawan is a monk who had Chyawanprash every single day for 40 days and was on a mono diet of khichdi. He reversed his aging process. So that's what Chyawanprash does. It boosts your immunity, boosts your metabolism, reverses aging process, helps in killing bacteria and virus, and basically stimulates your health against common bacteria and virus that is there in the air. So take 1 teaspoon of Chyawanprash every single morning with 1 glass of milk and half teaspoon of haldi in it. It'll boost your immunity. Absolutely perfect for children, also pregnant women and senior citizens. My fourth tip for boosting immunity at home is the Indian Amla, also called the Indian gooseberry. 1 Amla is equal to 1,000 lemons. It's loaded with vitamin C. It has anti-aging properties. It is an antioxidant. It also is the strongest rejuvenator in history. It has anti-inflammatory properties and anti-carcinogenic properties. It helps in fighting free radicals in the body, detoxifies your body and removes toxins out of the body. It's excellent for your blood, your bones, liver, heart and skin. It's great for your eyes. It sharpens your eyesight. It improves your muscle tone, and it's excellent for overall immunity. Do have at least 1 amla per day. It's 3 dosha in nature. It's suitable for all 3 body types. Maybe Vata can have amla soaked in natural sweeteners at home, but do have 1 amla per day, at least to boost your immunity against COVID-19 and all kinds of bacteria and virus. So my next herb is brahmi, which is a powerful antioxidant. It is a wonderful herb. You can just boil 1 teaspoon of this herb in 1 glass of milk and drink it early in the morning or at bedtime. It helps in improving brain function and stimulates neural activity, which means it's going to increase your alertness, your concentration, and also to boost your memory power. It also releases any kind of congestion in the nervous system, which means it is going to help you reduce anxiety, stress, cloudiness, attention deficit disorder, and such stressful reactions that you might develop in a situation like this. It also helps in improving your speech, and it's a powerful blood cleanser, which means it's excellent for monitoring and controlling blood pressure. You can definitely incorporate brahmi in your daily diet. Have it for 15 days, not more than that. If you're not able to source the herb, you can always buy it in the capsule form from a nearest chemist. A lot of organic manufacturers out there are selling herbs in a dehydrated capsule form. So here's to good health. My next herb recommendation is guduchi. It's an excellent herb for detoxifying the body. It helps in removing toxins and chemicals and heavy metals out of your liver and your blood. It's excellent for your respiratory conditions. So if you feel like you're having a sinus, cold, cough, allergies, congestion, or a runny nose, guduchi can definitely help you. It is also excellent for skin health. That means it helps in healing psoriasis and eczema. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it's very good for treating arthritis, rheumatism, gout, joint pain, swelling, and redness in between your joints. It is very good for preventing hepatitis and fatty liver diseases, and most importantly, it boosts your metabolism. So definitely have guduchi in your kitchen. You can just boil 1 teaspoon in water or milk and have it at bedtime, and also speak to an Ayurvedic doctor before taking some of these medicines. While you're having all of these herbs at home, make sure to reduce the pitta in your body, because herbs are subtle. They are pitta prakriti. They increase the agni in your body. So you need to balance it with something cooling. This is my favorite recipe to cool the body. It's the Indian buttermilk. You just take 2 teaspoons of yogurt, beat it nicely, make it smooth, add 1 glass of water, half teaspoon of cumin powder. This is excellent. It's got a great flavor. Maybe a pinch of pink salt, garnish it with cilantro, and on the other side, you can heat some ghee, add a pinch of hing, also called asafoetida. It helps in reducing gases. You can add some mustard seeds, some curry leaves. You can also grate some ginger and put it, and add maybe a little bit of chili. Otherwise, you can just avoid chili, and put this tadka onto your buttermilk. It'll help in breaking down the fermentation process of the yogurt. It is also shadarasa in taste. It's sweet, sour, salty, bitter, astringent, pungent, which means it's 3 dosha in nature. It's excellent for all 3 body types, especially good during summers and also during rainy season, because it boosts your digestion and your metabolism. Try to have 1 glass of buttermilk post lunch. You will love it. You could also finish it with a 20-minute power nap. You'll enjoy it, trust me.